In this class, we are supposed to use Microsoft Word, but if you are on a computer that does not use Microsoft Word, you always have the choice of using Word Online, which you can access through your Outlook apps. If you are in your email program, if you go all the way over to the left, you should see these 9 dots, which is your app launcher. If you click on that, all of your apps should appear, and you can scroll down and find Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, but we are concerned with Word right now. So you can click on that, and it is going to take you to your Microsoft Word Online. And what I want you to do is not click on the MLA style paper. I want you to click on a new blank document because I want you to set up MLA in the style that I want MLA set up in. And what you need to do is change Calibri font name to Times New Roman, change 11 to 12 size, and then come over to the 3 dots on the far right and click line spacing, and then go down to line spacing options. It's going to have this gear, and when you click on that, you'll notice here on the right that the before is set at 0, but the after is set at 8. You need to change that 8 to 0. So you should be set at 0, 0, and then double. So it should be 0, 0, double, and then click OK. And then you're going to go up to Insert on the menu bar. Come all the way over to the right and click Page Number. And then you're going to go to the one that has the page number in the upper right-hand corner and click on that. And it's going to bring up this header in the top. And then it's going to have a caret and then a hashtag sign and then another caret. You're going to type your last name and then a space. And then double click in the gray area. And then you probably won't be able to see your name, but I'll show you how you can see it here in just a moment. Make sure that your cursor is over here on the left. Excuse me. Type your first name, last name, enter, and it changed it back to Calibri. That's the thing with Word Online. You have to kind of keep an eye on it because sometimes it changes things. Stay with me here, Word. There we go. Type your first name, last name, hit enter. Type your instructor's name, which is me. Type your class. Type the date, which in MLA is International Format, day, month, year, with no periods, slashes, dashes, or commas. And then you are going to center the text and type your title. Hit enter again and then left justify and hit tab and begin typing your essay. When you're finished, just to double check everything, I would Double check to make sure everything is still in 12 times New Roman. You may have to highlight everything again because sometimes Word Online does things oddly. I would come up here where it says document 11, and I would change it to your first initial, last name, assignment title, and then whether it's rough draft or final draft, whichever way you're saving it or whichever one it is. I would double check again just to make sure that you are still in 00 double. Just one more time before you save and download. And then you're going to file, save as, download a copy. Make sure it's a Word copy, not a PDF. And then you can download a copy, and it's going to download it to the computer that you're working on. And then you can upload that copy to either the jump drive that you have, or if you want to go ahead and upload it to Moodle from that computer that you're working on, you can do that as well. So if you're not at your home computer or another computer that actually has Microsoft Word on it for you to work on, that is a workaround for you to use at that moment.